the Badlands came the killer. Lived by the knife and the gun. Shoot you just for standing. Cut you if you tried to run. He was big as a tree and he did as he pleased, and everything he did was bad. They said if you was to kill him, you'd only make him mad. From the good lands came the cowgirl. Patty was her name. She was hot on the trail of that killer. On a moped she called a flame. 'Cause the killer had killed her daddy just for spitting in the road. And you only had to kill Patty's daddy once to get that gal PO'd. Ah, yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. Yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. She rode into town to find the man that killed her daddy. Ah, yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. Killer hit town at daybreak, ate the door off the local saloon. Started to drink, you could tell he was thinking there'll be a showdown soon. Patty hit town in a cloud of dust, old Flame was buzzing like a saw. And the whole town got as quiet as a church when the killer stepped out for the draw. 40 shots rang out. 40 people fell. Patty and the killer missed each other, but they shot that town to hell. Whoa! Yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. Yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. She rode into town to find the man that killed her daddy. Whoa! Yippee-yi-yi, cow Patty. Killer took a step toward Patty. Said, "It's time I gunned you down." But he slipped and something was laying in the street and was shot before he hit the ground. The dummy, we had a pretty good song going here. But no. Yes, the killer slipped. That's my tourist voice. Tourists talk like that. Oh, yeah, okay, I'll be right over there, honey. All right. You've seen that guy. That guy's at every convention. He's the one that says, "Hey, you guys, leave those girls alone. Let's go have some fun." Yes, the killer slipped. Yes, the killer slipped, and it cost him his life. And Patty said as she roared out of town, "You gotta watch your step when you know the chips are down." Oh no! Yippee-yi-yi! Yay! Cow Patty! Get him up! Right that
about the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Ever give Jam a knows his name? They swear he got ice water running in his veins. A foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's gonna go to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh boy, he left Atlanta back in '63, hauling him a load up to Tennessee. He hit Mount Eagle in a driving rain, so hard he couldn't even see the passing lane. Well, he started down the grade when he lost a gear. He hit them brakes, found he had no air. The Mount Eagle grade is steep and long, and everybody that seen him thought the bandit was gone. Awesome. Well, his truck jackknife turned completely around. He was coming down backwards about the speed of sound. A lot of folks seen him, and they all say he had his head out the window yelling, "Clear the way." Well, he got to the bottom, safe and sound. Everybody asked Bandit how he made it down. He said, folks, when the truck picked up too much speed, I just run along beside it and drug my feet. You heard the legend of Jesse James and John Henry, just to mention some names. Well, there's a truck driving legend in the South today, a man called Bandit from Atlanta, GA. Every gear jammer knows his name. They swear he's got ice water running in his veins, a foot like lead and nerves like steel. He's going up to glory riding 18 wheels. Oh, tell me. Talk to me, guitar.
Some people say a man is made out of mud. A poor man's made out of muscle and blood. Muscle and blood and skin and bones. A mind that's weak and a back that's strong. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning when the sun didn't shine. I picked up my shovel and I walked to the mine. I loaded 16 tons of number 9 coal, and the straw boss said, well, to bless my soul, you load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. I was born one morning, it was drizzling rain. Fighting and trouble are my middle name. I was raised in the canebrake by an old mama lion. Can't no high-toned woman make me walk the line. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store. If you see me coming, better step aside. A lot of men didn't, a lot of men died. One fist of iron, the other of steel. If the right one don't get you, then the left one will. You load 16 tons, what do you get? Another day older and deeper in debt. St. Peter, don't you call me, 'cause I can't go. I owe my soul to the company store.
This song is called Space Pants. Begin transmission.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for...
My pants! Boys and girls, I think you'll find that my pants will blow your mind. Look at my pants with the eyes in your face. My legs are covered in outer space. Space pants! When I say space, you say pants. Space pants. When I say space pants, you say our intergalactic slacks. Space pants.
Our intergalactic slacks.
Yes. Now you're getting it. Yes, yes, yes. Out to space.